Alrighty, let's go over how to clean out your 440 Bluebird pug mill. To do this, you're going to need just a few tools, a pair of pliers, a socket wrench, and kind of the game plan. You're going to remove 8 bolts and a spring and pop a lever up and slide everything off to get to kind of like that auger. And I'm going to show you how clean you can get the inside of this pug mill. So first things first, you're going to want to pop the spring off. I had already popped my spring off. All you're going to use is a pair of pliers to do that. You just pop it right on up. Once you pop that spring off, the next thing to do is to pull up on this lever. It's pretty simple. It's not very difficult. It should slide right on up. If it doesn't, spray it with some water, and the clay that's kind of clogging it should hydrate, so you can easily pop it on up. Then you're going to have to remove the 8 bolts. You got 4 on the front and kind of 4 on the back, and those come off. They should come off fairly simple. If they don't, like again, usually it's clay that's clogging things, so just spray it with water, let it hydrate, and then you should be able to kind of the front bit should come off really easy. That huge hopper that I'm removing right there is usually something you're going to have to work at. Just use a little bit of water, get everything hydrated, and then with a little bit of effort it'll come off. This should show you how clean you can get your auger. Just take your time, clean it with a sponge. I use a spray bottle to spray out those grates really well. And then once you've got it clean, you're going to go ahead and reassemble and kind of reverse. You're going to slide everything back together. You're going to put those 8 bolts back together and reattach that spring. That's it for cleaning. Just to show you something else I've done for my pug mill, I built a conveyor belt. I made the 3D files for this, and I'll be posting it to Thingiverse. So that'll be in the link in the bottom if you want to do this for yours.